How to fix green line on phone screen on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix the green line on the phone screen on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the green line issue could be caused by two issues. One is a hardware damage. Maybe your device fell somewhere and that is the reason after that you got the green line on your display. That is a hardware damage and that cannot be fixed by using this process. But if it was a software damage, you might say, and it's just a minor bug that your pixels are currently dead, what you can do is you can download this application on Play Store called Dead Pixels Test and Fix. What this does is that it will actually test all of the pixels inside of your display. So you must enable all the permissions like I'm doing right here, and then select Fix Dead Pixel. So what happens is that you can click on Start and it will run these type of tests. Now you have to do this for at least 1 or 2 hours a day. If you're sleeping, run this overnight by charging your phone though, and this will actually test all of the pixels that you have over here. It will run all of these checks, and if there is any sort of green lines over there, it will hopefully help you solve that as well. So this is how you can hopefully solve. Now this may not work all the time. You have to do this repeatedly for 1 week, 2 weeks, sometimes 1 month, repeatedly to make that green line disappear. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.